Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Chatfuel account in 2026. If you want to build AI chatbots for platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or WhatsApp, this guide will help you get started step by step. First, open your web browser and visit the official Chatfuel website. Next, click the Sign Up or Get Started button on the homepage. Now choose your preferred sign-up method, such as using your Google account, Facebook account, or email address, depending on the available options. Next, enter the required information and create your account credentials if you're signing up with email. Now complete the verification process if Chatfuel asks you to confirm your email address or account. Next, sign in to your new Chatfuel account using your chosen login method. Now follow the welcome setup and choose the platform you want to connect, such as Instagram, Facebook Messenger, or WhatsApp. Next, grant the required permissions so Chatfuel can access and manage your connected account. Now complete the initial setup and open your Chatfuel dashboard to start creating your first chatbot. Finally, explore the dashboard and settings to customize your chatbot and prepare it for automation. And that's it. You've successfully created a Chatfuel account. You're now ready to build and manage AI chatbots for your business or personal projects. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.